You can use Digy to customize that generated list of materials. When I say customization, I mean, if you don't first see an item, you search for some options, find what you want, and replace that item. Okay, but so what if you can change that material list? Yes. Well, for each change you make to the material list, cost breakdown is updated as well. And that, my friends, is a real big deal because for the first time ever, a building cost can be made to fit your budget. What? I know. For example, let's say this cost that Digy generated for us was way outside our budget. Then we'll have two options. Option one is we'll switch over to a cheaper base template. Let me show you how. You head over to the hamburger menu. Click the change base template button. It's the last one here. Pick one of these two that is cheaper. Then the second option, if the generated cost is outside your budget, is to customize active base template. Here you can customize the materials individually or as a group. As an example on how you can change an individual material, let's see how we can change the cement option in the generated material list. So to do this, head over to the materials and label button. Let's search for cement using the search bar over here. And then click the cement summary. That takes us directly to cement. All right, now click the search options button. This one here. This window will minimize itself. And the search results will be refreshed, bring up more cement options. Let's go with this one. Open it, click the Save All button, and there you go. Notice that the cost breakdown has been updated as well. On the other hand, if the material you want to change belongs to the finishing category, you can use something called mood boards. They are more visual, making it easier to see how they interact with other materials. If you've never heard of a mood board, worry not. It's essentially a mashup of different images designed to communicate the overall look and feel of your space. Let me show you how. To change an individual material in a mood board, you click the template button, then we click the notebook button. So as you can see here, the materials are grouped according to typical spaces in the house, with the usual suspects being bathrooms, kitchens, etc. So as an example, let's say we want to change the roof cover. What we'll do, click the search options button. Let's pick an iron sheet. Let's go with this one. So you see how it looks. Also, notice that the price has changed. To revert back to the default, let's click the save button and click and save all. Now, to some people, changing materials like this, individually, may feel like they're drowning in a sea of materials. So now, I introduce to you Digy's mini template feature that makes it possible to change a group of materials in one go. For example, let's say we want to change the entire bathroom set in materials. To do so, we will have to import a mini template from an external source on our computer. This external source can be another designer or from Digy's own free templates, which you can find under the downloads page on our website. So, as an example, if we want to import all the materials in this bathroom mini template, and then use those to update the ones in our base template. Anyway, to do so, head over to the hamburger menu and click the Change Base Templates button. Then click this Import Template button. Let's search for it. It's on my desktop again. Let's click that. All right, it's now imported. To activate it, we just have to tap this checkbox. So now that it's active, let's go and view it in our materials list mood board. Let's open the materials list. So as you can see, all the bathroom materials are reflecting those in our mini template.